Hi everyone, my name is Thanish. I'm from Samsidh International School studying in grade 5 Sudhamurthy. Today, I would like to take you all through the concept of air expansion, which is also known as thermal expansion. Well, what is air expansion? It is nothing but when a substance is heated, its molecules and atoms move much more faster and leave space in between them. The velocity of the particles increase as soon as the temperature rises. All matter, including solid, liquid and gas, expand when subjected to heat. Now, in order to make you understand better, I would like to take you all through a simple experiment. The materials required for this experiments are hot water, an empty jar, a small amount of clay, 3 bottles and 2 small tubes connected as a bridge with each other. Well, I have added this bottle with some normal water and pomegranate extract. We can consider this as our air bottle, this as our pushing bottle, which shows how much the air is expanding. I have added pomegranate extract because it contains sugar contents which helps in the flow of liquid's visibility and the molecules and atoms will much more speed up. This is our measuring bottle. Now I will add some water into this jar. You can see the flow of liquid in the measuring bottle. Well, what happens? See, as soon as I had hot water into this jar, the air becomes hot. And what does the hot air want to do? It wants to expand, but it has no space to expand. So, it again goes to the pipe and ends up in this tiny space inside the push bottle. Well, if the air has more force and pressure, it settles down. But where does the water go? It again goes up through the pipe and finally ends up in the measuring bottle. Hope my demonstration of this experiment, air expansion, helped you a lot. Thank you.